buckle on the other side of the device. Slide arm into the wrap. Position the point of the elbow in the center of the cutout in the middle of the wrap. Adjust the straps to fit comfortably around the upper and lower arm. Secure straps in place using the hook and loop fasteners at the end of each strap. Press the on-off button to turn on the device and enjoy the therapeutic lights. Loop each strap through the buckle on the other side of the device. Slide the wrap onto the foot. Position the heel of the foot in the center of the cutout in the middle of the wrap. Adjust the straps to fit comfortably around the shin and foot. Secure straps in place using the hook and loop fasteners at the end of each strap. Press the on-off button to turn on the device and enjoy the therapeutic lights. Place the wrap around the knee, positioning the kneecap in the center of the cutout in the middle of the device. Loop the strap closest to you around the thigh and through the buckle on the other side of the device. Loop the remaining strap around the calf and through the buckle on the other side of the device. Adjust the straps to fit comfortably. Secure straps in place using the hook and loop fasteners at the end of each strap. Press the on-off button to turn on the device and enjoy the therapeutic lights. Loop one strap through the buckle on the other side of the device. Slide your arm completely through the strap so it is around your bicep and the device is on your shoulder. Position the shoulder joint in the center of the cutout. Adjust the strap around your bicep to fit comfortably, securing in place using the hook and loop fasteners. Attach the included extension strap to the remaining strap using the hook and loop fasteners. Wrap the extension strap under the opposite arm and around your torso. Loop the extension strap through the buckle and adjust to fit comfortably. Secure in place. Press the on-off button to turn on the device and enjoy the therapeutic lights.